Good evening, students.
Good evening, teacher Fem.
Okay, so for this evening, we do have a task. Your activity is to write 10 sentences. Okay, so managsuwat?
Oh.
Okay, so who can give 5 examples? Kinsay makabasa? Hatag og example. Okay, si Junmark. Sige, go Junmark.
Victor by Akar.
Okay, so kinsa pailain? Si Jillian May. Okay, Jillian May. Then after kay si Rina na.
The beach is so nice.
Very good. So si Rina. Okay, Rina. Okay, next. Si Eliza, then Sophia.
My house is very nice.
Very good. So Sophia.
He is
She is so
so kind.
kind. Very good. Then si Althea.
He is beautiful.
Okay, she is beautiful. Okay, so sit down. Very good, students. So ang bata unsa gyud inyong practice, mag-practice og basic English. Okay, so mag-practice ta writing sentences, English sentences. Okay? So, sa patilaing mga other instructions, self-study sa multiplication. Then, how about sa English? Magbasa sa English book. Okay. Then, mag-toothbrush 3 times a day. Very good. So, remember always sa atong mga instruction, ha? Okay. So, bye-bye, students.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Nga naman na nag-goal man ang naw ni Althea. Uy, tarong nga po nang imong naw. Ay, sigul-gool. Okay. So, manguli na ta, ha? And mag-toothbrush na ta. Kay man naman atong klase. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, students.
안녕하세요.
Okay, for today, our activity is we're going to complete the sentences with do, does, did. Okay, so each of you will read the what do you call that one? Sentences being given, and please state the answer. Okay? Okay, very good. So, number 1.
Number 1. You have a driver license?
Okay. So, the answer is?
Do.
Okay, so let's complete. Do you have a driver's license? Okay. How about number 2?
What are blank she work on Monday?
Okay. So, what hours does she work on Monday? For number 3.
What blank she eat for breakfast?
Okay.
Does.
Very good. What does she eat for breakfast? How about number 4?
When blank you usually get home?
Okay. Very good. Do. How about number 5?
How blank prisoners pass the whole day in prison?
Okay.
Does.
So how does prisoners pass the whole day in prison? Okay? So, unsay correct answer? Does. Okay, for number 6.
Blank he come in with anyone else did.
Okay, very good. So, past tense atong gamiton. Did. When we will use did for past tense. We will use does for singular present tense. And we will use do for the present tense. Then, after ana is na ay you. Okay? Nakasabot? Okay, very good. So, how about number 7? Students, actually naatay toothpaste sa study room. So if mahurot na inyong stock nga toothpaste, pwede ito ninyo gamiton. Hi Ali. Annyeonghaseyo. Okay, so for this morning, our task is to practice reading in English stories. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, so now, let's do the practice of reading a short story. So we have here a story book for Ali to practice reading. Okay, so if you have a mistake, Ellie, don't you worry because Teacher Pam will help you read. Okay? Okay, so as we go on, I hope that ma-master na si Ellie with regards of reading. Okay, so let's start, Ellie.
Lucy, hamster. Once little Lucy and her
older
older sister
went
went to a pet
shop. And what is that word?
shop.
Okay.
Lucy's sister
Both
bought a hamster and named her
Maybe
Maisie. Lucy
was
was unhappy
because
because
she
he also
Annyeonghaseyo students. Okay, for this evening, what we are celebrating today, man? Okay, very good. It's National Heroes Day. So, every year, the Philippines echoes the spirit of national pride as it celebrates National Heroes Day. So, kada tuig, ang Pilipinas nagpalanog sa diwa sa nasudnong garbo. Samtang kini nagsaulog sa National Heroes Day or Araw ng mga Bayani. This significant occasion observed on the last Monday of August. So, i-celebrate ni siya kada last Monday of August. Dili siya nag-exact yun nga kana nga pizza, but last Monday of August yun na siya gina-celebrate. Commemorates the cry of Pugadlawin, the pivotal moment in 1986. So, nag-commemorate na siya. So, naghando raw sa cry of Pugadlawin niadtong 1986 that ignited the Philippines Revolution against Spanish rules. So, nagdilab ang Pilipinas sa revolusyon batok sa mga Espanyol ato nga time. Led by the visionary Andres Bonifacio and the Katipunan Society, the cry marked the beginning of a long and arduous society struggles for independence. So, gipanguluhan ni Andres Bonifacio together sa mga Katipunan Society katong nga time para makamit na to ang kagawasan. So mao na sila gipantawag na to og mga national heroes. So nag-leader nila to si Andres Bonifacio. Across the archipelago, uniting the Filipinos in their pursuit of freedom. Today, National Heroes Day transcend the mere remembrance. So, remembrance daw ron karong adlaw. o labaw sa tanan sa paghandom sa mga bayani or mga hero nato. Whether through participating in these commemorations of reflection, privately, National Heroes Day offers an opportunity to connect our history and draw inspiration from its heroes. So, participate kuno ta paghandom reflection sa ilang ipambuhat nato para ma-offer ang opportunity para ma-connect ang history sa atong nasod. Nya mag-draw sad siya inspiration para nato nga mahimo sa tag heroes sa atong isig kabanay. So for this evening, I would like you to write a sentence, at least 15 sentences, on how important is our heroes to us. Okay? You may start now.
Kung matas lang.